Man, I copied all my games, plugged in the USB, but nothing is showing in the Aurora dashboard. If you're facing the same issue, then today's video is going to fix it for you. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fix a very common problem, games not showing in Aurora dashboard. The most common reason is path is not set. If your game folder is not added here, Aurora simply won't know where your games are. Add a new path and select the folder where your games are stored like HDD or USB. Now here's another important setting, scan depth. If your games are inside folders within folders, set scan depth accordingly. Otherwise, Aurora won't detect them. In my case, the scan depth will be 5 because I am directing the path to the 5th subfolder, which is zeros folder. After setting the path, make sure you press scan now. Without this step, your games won't appear. If you copied ISO files directly, they will not show in Aurora. And there you go. Just wait for the covers to get downloaded. Now you can see all your games showing properly. GOD games are showing. Now if you want an extracted game to appear here, you can also do it. For example, I have a game Watchdog in my USB device in extracted folders. So I can set another path that will point to the USB with extracted folders. So that game will also appear in the games library. This time the depth will be 3 because the path is pointing to the 3rd subfolder USB 0. Here we go. You can see Watchdogs DVDs are also visible now, which are extracted folders, not GOD files. That is the beauty of Aurora. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Xbox 360 tips and tricks. If you still have any issues, drop a comment, I'll help you out.